Hi guys, my name is Peter Eshiett and I am an affiliate marketer and I'm here to give a quick review of this book by Dean Holland, The Iceberg Effect. And now the question now goes this way. Why the iceberg effect? And I will go ahead and answer by saying that the iceberg effect is actually the untold story of an affiliate marketer that takes part from when he starts the journey into affiliate marketing to the strategy of becoming successful. Now, we all know that when it comes to an iceberg, it has to do with a very big ice in an ocean that has a greater and more gigantic part hidden under the water and a little part just sticking out, which tells you that there is more that than the eye can visibly see. And you've also heard a lot of people saying, "Oh, success is an iceberg." And this is so because um, a lot of times people don't see the hard work, the perseverance, the extra effort, the extra mile you have to take to become successful in business or in life generally. And this very book, the Iceberg Effect book, has a lot of content. And then you want to ask also why this book? I would say this book is very essential and important in a time like this because it is written by a gentleman who has gone through a lot and has been so experienced in the field of affiliate marketing and also has gone to make himself successful. Additionally, this very book is forwarded by a guru in the field, the co-founder of ClickFunnels, Russell Brunson himself. And then someone would then ask, why give this book free? Well, this book is given free because it's going to be the entrance for you into the uh, profit, internet profit family, and also the beginning of your success journey into the field of affiliate marketing. And as you know, every affiliate marketer, every successful entrepreneur delights and take pleasure in making others successful. And this book also is very, very essential in a time like this because it has got tons of value and over delivery, I would say. Now, let's take a quick deep dive into what is contained in this book. Now, if you look at this book, it has a lot of spoiler alert. For instance, in page 7, you're going to see the shocking incident that closed the author's first business. And then when you go down to page 87, you're going to see the right key for you to generate revenue. And then I want to then say, why should you get this book? You should get this book because this book has got lots of bonus and tons of over delivery. For instance, the first bonus you will get by grabbing this book will be the fact that you will be able to have access to the iceberg effect audiobook. The second one is going to be the bonus for you to attend the iceberg effect masterclass. And the next is going to be the 7 days of surprise. I tell you what, this book is super packed with a lot of value and with just $7, which covers the cost of only shipping and handling, you will have this book sent to you. And in conclusion, I will just have to say that you should check the description below and grab your own free copy by clicking the link. And also, you can also go ahead and smash the bell icon, like and subscribe to my channel to get more content. And lastly, I will want to see you as a successful marketer being also able to succeed. And that is why I would say, in concluding, get this book and the bonus now, and let's start the journey to a successful affiliate marketing. Thank you.